Today, I'm going to show you how to find a YouTube channel's email address so you can contact your favorite creators. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why you might want to contact a YouTube creator. Whether you have a collaboration idea, a business proposal, or just want to say thanks, reaching out can be a great way to connect. To find a creator's email, start by visiting their YouTube channel. Now, click on the About section, which is usually located next to Home and Videos. Here you'll find about the information about the channel. Now, on the description section in the About section, here you can see all the accounts that your creator has. For example, for this creator, I can see her email ID through her description. Here you can see her email address is ashley@wallerstars.com. But if the creator has not provided their email, you'll see a prompt asking you to confirm you're not a robot. And if there is, once you do that, the email will be revealed. If the email address isn't listed, many creators link their social media accounts in the About section. Just check their platforms like Instagram or Twitter, as they might have listed their email in their bios or could respond to your message directly. Another option is to leave a comment on one of their recent videos. Politely ask if they could share their email or how best to contact them. Just be respectful and patient. Remember, not all creators will feel comfortable sharing the email. Always respect their privacy and understand if they choose not to respond. And that's it. You now know how to find a YouTube channel's email address to create and contact creators.